The purpose of the Oil Tanker Math Challenge was to provide students with an interdisciplinary approach of what is essentially a math problem or math word problem. We created 3 fictitious news articles in which an oil tanker has run aground. So it's a great opportunity for students to blend the domains of the different subjects together and use math as its basis, and to show how even if you're interested in biology or ecology or geopolitics, you need to have a foundation in math to be able to make all those assumptions of whether or not has the oil spilled to a different country, has it gone to different territorial waters. So it's a great way to revitalize the math word problem into something much larger.
It is not like what we do in class, where we are given a question and we're given all the variables, all the equations. We just have to put in the values and solve it. Over here, we were given a situation which had a lot of things involved in it, and we had to filter out stuff. We had to filter out what is needed, what is not needed.
The incident of the oil leak of the ship happened at 4:32 AM. It was a supertanker class ship, and we got the nationalities of the people who were on board at that time.
Math part specifically was very, very important in this case, because every other domain like the geopolitical or the biological effects will be based on the results of the maths. If the math is accurate, the others will be accurate.
Exxon Valdez contained 144,000 meter cube of oil, and the area was 28,000 kilometers square, and the BP oil spill had 780,000 meter cube of oil, which made an area 180,000 kilometers square.
The time at which the weight will be equal to 55,680 tons will be 98.46 hours, which is approximately 4.1 days. So it will mean that on Saturday 21st August 7:10 AM IST, the ship will start to sink.
The vectors for the direction of the wind currents, we were able to find out that the oil will move in a particular direction. In our case, the oil was moving towards Pakistan, which has Keti Bandar Sanctuary at the shore.
One of the main fallouts of an oil spill are the biological consequences. Turtles come to the surface to breathe, and hence since there's oil floating on the surface of the ocean, they're likely to gulp this oil, and it's going to affect their lungs. Also really affect the ecosystem as a whole.
Few other important figures are that since 2010, when the oil spill occurred, BP has set aside $58 billion devoted to cleanup, penalties and other cover-ups that they needed to pay for.
Oman has diplomatic and neutral terms with both India and Pakistan, and therefore also because it has oil, it results in the highest exports of that country. They will face a lot of financial losses. Therefore, they will also be involved in this.
In real life, practically, you don't know what information to take and what information is redundant. In a word problem, almost all the information that you have in that question is important information.